Okay, so right now this isn't going to be an unboxing because I had some video problems, but you guys really don't care about that. Don't ever buy cheap video cards off of Wish. Anyways, these are a 6-pack of silicone drink coasters. They also have an absorbent felt interior. And this was sold by BOWLCCI. It's BOWLCCI. I don't know how to pronounce that. So it's felt on the inside, and you can actually pop this out, which is kind of interesting because you can really double this and use this as 2 coasters. If let's say you get a soda and a cup of ice, you can actually put the cup and the soda on one without having to get up and go get another coaster. Believe it or not, it happens more often than you would imagine. Anyways, it's silicone here on the top, the sides, inside. You've got this cloth felt right here, which is absorbent and dries out fairly quickly. Haven't had any issues with it molding or anything like that either, so that's good. And then the bottom side is not exactly the silicone that you're thinking. It's more of like a really slick, smooth rubber, and that keeps it from sliding around. So it really does stick and stay in one place, and then even whenever you've got it dripping, it gets caught up here in the top and it doesn't go through, so you don't have any problems with it sliding around at all. This actually came with 6 of these. We're really happy with them. The reason why I got them is, you guys might be familiar with this. You get a nice coaster set, but before long they end up like that, and there are big cracks and stuff in them, and so then you're not able to use them anymore. The reason why this happens, you stick your glass down on there, you've got your condensation, creates a vacuum as it connects to the top of the coaster, and this is a stone coaster, so this really shouldn't happen, but it's a very smooth stone coaster, so whenever you pick up your glass, this comes with it, and then it drops and cracks and breaks. These are not going to stick, they're not going to drop and crack and break. These are quite possibly the last coasters that I will ever have to own, so I'm pretty excited about that. They've been working out great for me for a while, but I did want to re-record at least this video to get it up, so that way I had something out there. So any questions, comments, ask. I'll get to them as soon as I can. Thanks for watching, and I hope you guys have a great day.